Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful. In this video, I would like to relate the Big Bang Theory with the Quran. For those who do not know about the Big Bang Theory, it's a scientific theory which tells us about how this universe came into exist. And it's a very important question. Everyone must know how this universe came into exist. What does science tells us about this? Based on their research, they tells us, according to Big Bang Theory, it tells us that 20 billion years ago, when there was nothing, there was an object. Okay, there was one unit, one object, and that object was definitely not like my fist. Okay, it was bigger than this, definitely. Just to explain, it exploded, and out of explosion, because of heat, it exploded, and out of explosion, this universe came into exist. This sun, moon, stars, galaxies, all this came into exist because of that explosion. And this is what exactly Quran tells us in chapter 21 verse number 30. If you read the translation, you will see that it states that, do not the disbelievers see that the sky and the earth were once one. They were all together. They were only one object, and we separated them, we break them apart, we tore them apart. The author of the book tells us that they were all together in one form, and we break them apart. And in that same verse, it also tells us that we created every living creature out of water. In this one verse, there are two scientific facts. Firstly, it talks about Big Bang Theory, and secondly, it talks about every living creature made up of water. Today, we know that every living creature is made up of water. So my question to you is, how can Muhammad, living in a desert, okay, without any scientific equipments, how come he know that? It's something really amazing, It's something very shocking for those who do not believe Muhammad to be the prophet of or messenger of God. For those who do not believe him as a messenger of God, for them it's very shocking or amazing. But as a Muslim, for us, it's something, it's normal. He is a messenger of God. He talks with God. Angels come to him. So for us, it's nothing, But still, this verse is something really, miracle. It's something you cannot express in words. So if you find this video informative, do share it among your friends, family. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.